Look, you busted again, Perp Rabbit. Now what? No, I'm not going to read you no rights. I'm going to report you to Alice. Oh, now you on run? You're in the Garden of Aquarius. And there's no rabbit holes for you back here. I keep my grass cut. That's right, I keep it cut. So, I'm going to get your mugshot too. I want to see if you're the same rabbit that ran up in the front the other day. Remember, everything you're eating is a cost. You're going to have to pay for that. And you're going to have to earn your keep around here in the Garden of Aquarius. Perp Rabbit.